Okay. Starts right up. Has an 8-cylinder motor. What kind of motor we got? 350. A 350 motor. It has 6 new 10-ply tires. Has a pretty nice looking new battery. And like I said, it cranks right up. He's going to drive it around the parking lot. Needs work on the inside, but you have low mileage too. What was it? 67,993. Let's call it what it is. And then he's going to drive around. You see that it runs. Good project for somebody who likes to fix things up on the inside. You got what you need to travel. Now we have to get you fixing on the roof and the insides, but it is what it is, folks. Starts at $5. We'll find out what it's worth. Forward and reverse. There we go. Then I'll start her at $5 and let the big dog eat. I'll show you the inside when he parks it here. Alright, so we got a working vehicle there. He's going to back her right back up where she was. I'm going to get out of his way so he doesn't run me over.